So welcome back. It's another day in the Banjo saga, and just got another shipment in the mail from everyone's favorite retailer, Amazon. And this, I hope, will be the case for the Banjo. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see if the Banjo fits in there. I got the box on the table of edibility here, and let's go ahead and crack her open. This is the Crossroads case, a case for many, I guess. I don't know. Well, anyway, we'll take a look here. And it's not a box in a box, it's actually just the box with the case in it. Yeah, nothing else in the box. And it is wrapped in plastic. So, in case any of you guys are interested, it is the Crossroads case for the many. Crossroads Case Company, and it is model CRW500BJBK, Banjo case in black. So let's go ahead and pop her open. Construction seems okay. I mean, it's not like my guitar case, which is an ABS plastic type thing, but then again, I didn't want to spend too much money on this case because I didn't spend any money on the Banjo. So, there's other there. So, all right. Well, I'm going to bring the camera a little closer so you guys can take a look at the inside of this case. It is it's kind of like a soft padded, I wouldn't say velvet, but it is soft padded in there. So if we get a good image there. So it is a soft padded. I don't know if this is, hopefully this case will fit, but it does have a little compartment here with everyone's favorite flavor crystals and a key. So I imagine these locks lock, but only one key, not two, just one key. So I guess the big question is, will the Banjo fit in this case? Question easily answered. And it fits right in the case perfectly. So let's go ahead and, yep. There you go. So it fits perfectly in here. And so this will probably be a good little case to, if I ever decide to take this on the road, which I imagine there's many people out there that hope I won't. Time will tell. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Remember to hit that like button. And if you have enjoyed this series so far and you want to continue and be notified anytime something about this beautiful Banjo comes up online, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, and we will, well, you'll hear me play this eventually. Thanks for watching.